Hello guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Gulder Ultimate Search set to return despite lockdown. The once popular Nigerian reality television series Gulder Ultimate Search, also known as GUS, was created and sponsored by the Nigerian Breweries plc to promote and support the Gulder Lager beer. The series is purely an indigenous content reality television program in Nigeria that has to do with the struggles of contestants against themselves in the wild nature and their search to find a hidden treasure for one of them to emerge as the winner. Just yesterday, the Gulder Lager Beer announced on their social media pages the return of this show to our screen during the lockdown. The last time the reality series was held was in 2012 in Agulere Forest in Anambra State. The contestants searched for the general's helmet, which was found by Chinedu Bachukwu, and he was rewarded with 10 million naira and a brand new Ford Explorer car. The theme for this season is the rerun, and the premiere date and location was not disclosed in their post, but we do hope they come back with a bang this season. Stay tuned to Naija News and Entertainment for updates on when the Gulder Ultimate Search will be on.